Hello student, last time we are talking about lesson number 5 democracy. In this lesson we have discussed the necessary successful condition of the democracy. Today we are start a new topic, type of democracy. Type of democracy. In type of democracy, democracy is type are four types. First, direct democracy. Second, representative democracy. Third, parliamentary democracy. And fourth is presidential democracy. Repeat, the type of democracy, the four type of democracy is first, direct democracy. Second is representative democracy. Third is parliamentary democracy, and fourth is presidential democracy. Firstly, we are discuss about direct democracy. Direct democracy are the most type of the democracy. The ancient time, the state of Greek is running the direct democracy. In direct democracy, the public are directly making the rule of the nations. It means डायरेक्ट डेमोक्रेसी में पब्लिक सीधे पब्लिक के द्वारा यानी जनता के द्वारा ही जो देश के नियम बनाए जाते थे, और आज भी जो देश के नियम डायरेक्ट डेमोक्रेसी में जनता के द्वारा बनाए जाते हैं. इट मीन्स द डायरेक्ट डेमोक्रेसी रेफर टू द पब्लिक डायरेक्टली मेकिंग द रूल्स फॉर द nation. Again, the direct democracy is the public directly make the rule of for the nation. Ancient time, the Greek state the direct democracy at most example. Present time, the Switzerland is the direct democracy example. It means जो आज के समय में डायरेक्ट डेमोक्रेसी का जो एग्जांपल है वो ओनली स्विट्जरलैंड में पाया जाता है. तो डायरेक्ट डेमोक्रेसी इज द पब्लिक डायरेक्टली मेक द रूल फॉर द नेशंस इज डायरेक्ट डेमोक्रेसी. प्रेजेंट टाइम ओनली द स्विट्जरलैंड इन डायरेक्ट डेमोक्रेसी. सेकंड इज representative democracy. Representative democracy, it means the public elect our representative by the election, and the whole power of the public give to the representatives, and representative run the government and make the rule for peoples. It means जो representative जो democracy है उसमें जनता के द्वारा अपने प्रतिनिधियों का चुनाव किया जाता है, और उन प्रतिनिधियों के द्वारा जनता के लिए नियम बनाए जाते हैं. Representative democracy is the call of another the indirect democracy. It means जो representative democracy है उसे indirect democracy भी कहते हैं, because the public are not directly making the rule of this type of democracy. Public elect the representative, and representative make the rule for the public. It example is India and USA. USA means United States of America. The representative democracy example is India and USA. Third is parliamentary democracy. Parliamentary democracy, the parliamentary democracy is divided into two parts of the government. First, executive, and second, legislatures. The legislatures, the giving the power of the making the rule of the executive, and executive the making the rule, and the executive head is the different, and the legislature are the different head. Executive are the based on the prime ministers. The head of the executive is prime minister. जो executive होती है उसका head होता है prime minister, and the cabinet giving to the advice for the prime minister, and prime minister जो making in the rule. The head of the executive is prime minister, and prime minister the ruling party and make the rule for the public. The prime minister, the elect by the public. He was the representative of the public. For example is parliamentary government, parliamentary democracies India and England. तो जो पार्लियामेंट्री गवर्नमेंट है वो इंडिया और इंग्लैंड में है, जहाँ पर जो नियम बनाने का काम एक कैबिनेट के द्वारा किया जाता है, जो इलेक्ट बाय द पब्लिक, जो किससे इलेक्ट होती है, पब्लिक के द्वारा इलेक्ट होती है. फोर्थ टाइप ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी इज प्रेसिडेंटल. प्रेसिडेंटल डेमोक्रेसी इट मीन्स ए जो होल पावर इज द मैन ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट. इट मीन्स जो पूरी शक्ति होती है वो प्रेसिडेंट के पास होती है. देन प्रेसिडेंट मेकिंग द रूल फॉर द पीपल्स. The people elect the president and the president make the rule for the peoples. So student, today we are discuss about the type of democracy. Four type of democracy. Direct democracy, example is Switzerland. Representative democracy is also called is indirect democracy, example is India and USA. Presidential democracy, example is India, England, and third is parliamentary democracy, example is India and England, and fourth is presidential democracy, example is USA. So the complete this topic of type of democracy. Thank you.